We're gonna go through them. Do you know do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do? Who knows do, re, mi? Right? Well, we're gonna learn the Indian version of that. Okay, so can you all give me building blocks like this? Excellent, good. All right, so the first note we're gonna learn is sa. Can you all say sa? Everyone say sa. Good. Everyone say sa. Lovely. Can you all say re? Good. And you know what re looks like? It looks like rain. Right? So remember re. Can we say sa and re together? Amazing. Can you all say ga? Exactly. Say ga, ga, ga. Good. Can we say sa, re, ga? All right. Now we're going to learn the next one. Ma. Can you say ma? Ma. Right? Now what are the four notes? Sa, re, ga, ma. Lovely. And now we're going to add on. Can you say fa? Fa? Good. Now can you say all five notes for me? Sa, re, ga, ma, and lovely. Make sure you keep doing the building blocks. Make sure you keep doing the building blocks. The next note is ta. Can you all say ta? Let's put it all together. Ready? Sa, re, ga, ma, fa, and ta. Lovely. And ni. Can you all say ni? Lovely. Let's put it all together. All the notes. Sa, re, ga, ma, fa, ta, and ni. And then we're going to end the whole thing again with one more. Sa. Can you all say sa at the end? Okay. Shall we sing the whole